All right, so I'm back with another one, per usual, per every Sunday since I started. I haven't missed a Sunday straight like that. If you know, you know, but I haven't missed a Sunday. Let's get straight into it. Earnings for this week. We are back in earnings week. Last week I knew we was gonna have this. Like I knew we was gonna have this. Come this week. Come the week that's ahead. Anyway, I'm just excited. I'm just very excited. But anyway, first name I see is BlackRock, J.P. Morgan. The banks always report first. From what I see, the banks report first. Um, TSM chip manufacturer. They report Thursday before open. That's interesting. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't paid attention to that. They report before before the bell. Or maybe I have. Who else? Who else? United Healthcare. Healthcare. ASML. That's another tech. I forgot exactly what they do, but I know they're in tech. Bank of America. MS. Morgan Stanley. I just charted Morgan Stanley yesterday. Synchronized bank. Whatever. Anyway, y'all see what's going on. We are back in earnings week. You want to look right here. Boom. These are all the names. Yeah. News for this week. News for this week. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. The two big names, CPI and PPI, Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index. We have retail sales. NFP still has not came out due to the government closing. Yeah, straight like that. Straight like that. Let's see. I'm trying to see. I mean, if Powell speak come Tuesday, so yeah, this is a week to look out for. This is a week to pay attention to, from my understanding and what I believe. Look at this candle. Let's go ahead and get into it. Spy. Let's look at let's analyze right fast. Matter of fact, nah. I was gonna jump the gun, but we're gonna get there. That's the next ticker. Spy with the big red candle to the downside. Boom. Bearish divergence. Prices going up. RSI's coming down. What else are we looking at? Swings. That's what we're looking at. But realistically, price did come down. It encapsulated a lot of days worth of worth of gains. But my levels and what I see, what I'm thinking, 659 retest. Let me go in a little go in a little more. Um, let me see about the hourly. What the hourly talking about? No. What? 659? No, I meant to say 657. I'm sorry, my handwriting is terrible. 657. 657. Possibly, just maybe, but I don't think it could possibly go to VWAP 611. That's the previous. That was not the week that just closed, but the week prior to that. That was this low, this level, this dotted line. That was 66156. So yes, could it go there? Possibly. It could wick off there, off that level, and go down. It could happen. But what I see so far, 657, and what I said, 66156, maybe wick off. I want to see a rejection. I want price to go lower. And before I yap on, I am looking to get filled tomorrow for swings, like 3+ months out. I will notify. I probably would post it on the what is it, the creation page or whatnot. where you can post a picture and like type. But yeah, y'all know the levels. Straight like that. Boom. Yeah, we thugging off the hourly today. I'm vibing right now. I'm feeling good off the hourly. Boom. Matter of fact, let me go to the daily. Let me go to the daily for this, because this is what I was talking about when I said, let me not jump the gun. You know what I mean? Like let me not jump the gun. You see the pattern. You see the pattern right in front of our face. Boom. What is this pattern? Like, what is this pattern? Oh my God, Mink. What is this pattern? Hammer, bearish hammer pattern. It's in the middle. 3 candlestick pattern. Boom. Green day. Nice green day. Pretty good green day. Okay, boom. Price exhaustion. Price went up. Price went up. Sellers closed it down. Wait. Hold on. Here's some change. Hold on. No. This the open. That's the close. No, I'm tweaking. This the open. The top is the open. That's the close. Okay, boom. Buyers brought this up to make this wick. I'm sorry. I'm almost talking out my, but buyers brought this up. But to make a long story short, I'm not trying to go on. This is a hammer pattern. And then that happened. The next day, Trump 100% tariffs on China, November the 1st. Massive red candles to the downside with some good volume as well. This may be a start of what I missed out on the beginning of the year. Straight like that. I'm happy I'm seeing it now. And like I said, I'm thinking about getting filled. But anyway, let me stop yapping. Let me get right. 1%. Anyway, 593, 594. Let me zoom in a little bit. 593, boom, 594. Now let me go to the 4 hour. Let me tell you why. Support. This was one support around this level. This 593, 594 was one support is really 592, but the level I have 593. Straight like that. Yeah. Could it possibly go to 595? It could go up, wick off. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see price go higher anymore. I need to buy. I need to be long. I need to add to my positions or whatnot, if that makes sense. But y'all see the levels: 593, 594, rejection. Yeah, straight like that. Next, NVO. I don't think I ever talked about this ticker. I probably have, but it is a healthcare ticker. Healthcare stock. I meant to say this. This is a healthcare stock, very profitable. They have a lot of money, a ton of money to be exact. But let's look at it off the daily right fast. I'm thinking about longing either NVO or TTD. TTD is the next, which I'm calling. I just spoiled it. But anyway, the buy zone for me, what I'm thinking, because this was one support. That's what I was looking at it off the daily, so that's why I'm on the daily. This is one support. I'm thinking 53. 53, if it come down to 53, it'd be cool. But I possibly could get filled before then. And those contracts are going to be out to like top of 26. Maybe like March. I want to say March 16th, 17th, somewhere around there. When I was looking at the options, the expiration dates. Straight like that. 53 buy area. Yeah. 52 week range. 40 at $45. Well, hold on. No. It said $56. I'm sorry. It said $56, and it's towards the inside of the 52 week range. So that's where we want to buy. I had a conversation with Gerald yesterday, and I just got so I feel so great. I thank God every day, honestly. But that's besides the point. No, it's not. But praise the Lord every day. Anyway, well, hold on. Did NVO have it? must be on my phone. But TTD, the trade this. This is technology. This is adware, not adware. What is this called? Advertisement. That's what it offers. Cloud-based ad buying platform. That's what it is. Again, same like NVO, 52 week range. Is towards the inside of the 52-week range, towards the beginning, towards the low number. We want it to go high, so we're gonna put those swings. We're gonna put those leaps straight like that. I do have the, what is this called? The Fibonacci up, as you can see, buy zone, buy area, $80. If you wanna put it like that, I put it to the lowest to the highest, and this is the double bottom. This is the double bottom. I think I talked about this stock last week, but I will talk about it again this week because I just like it. And I'm going to do my research on both these stocks, TTD and NVO. I'm going to do some research on Seeking Alpha, and I'm going to see what people are talking about. I'm going to search. I'm going to look at the news through other websites. But what's my buy area? What's my buy area for TTD? I'm not even gonna try to look at what I said last week because it's right in front of me, but I'm not gonna look at it. Boom, my buy area is 49. High retest. That's what I said. That was a high retest. I mean, that was a high, and I said, okay, boom, off the daily. So y'all see where I'm getting these from. I'm going off the daily because I'm thinking long term. Yes, I can go off the 4 hour, but today, right now, I am going off the daily. That's just how I'm feeling. That's how I'm thinking. Straight like that. Boom. What is this? Yes, 49. This is the top of this. Yes. What is it? 49. Exactly. So boom. That's one thing I noticed. One thing I taught myself on. Once this candle go up like this, it's always the top of this green candle. That's what make the high. That's what make the high. It's always the top of that green candle. Boom, straight like that. But 49 recent, not recent, but a previous high. I want to see what it does do off this previous high, and we could go higher. We're gonna hold this until then. Until then, again, I will be letting y'all know when I get filled. Straight like that. What did I say last week? I just said TTD double bottom. Nice buy and gap. It does have a gap. It has to be filled. Boom. Last ticker. I also talked about this last week. But I have to do it. I'm sorry. I'm sticking with these. I'm looking at them like a hawk. Boom. Let's talk about it though. Let's talk about it. This was probably like a 3-day swing. This is like a like a 3-day swing. Boom, Friday. I said boom. So this is okay. Boom. What did I say last week? SoFi 24 bounce. Same as this week, but anyway. SoFi bounced off 25, and 25 is look what it is when you do this. Boom. It's like it's around 20%, right? But if you do it coming down, this is 20%. And I confused myself on these two levels. So the buy level, oh my bad. Okay, boom. I confused myself on those two levels. I thought this was it was a good buy. That's why I said a 3-day swing. It went up. That 1%. It went up and came right back down. So yeah. But anyway, 24 $24, the level 24. And this is perfect. This is 20% from the all-time highs. It possibly could go below it a little bit and then go higher. Straight like that. Straight like that. That's all I got. 24 buy, 20% from all time highs. That's what I said on SoFi. And yeah, market, market is going down. Well, it's not going. It still got for this week to form, but market has a very, very nice red candle, and I'm hearing to buy. That's all I'm hearing to buy. Buy. But I'll be back one of these days this week, straight like that. Click.